Are you trying to set up your own VPN on Android but feeling stuck? You're not alone. Many developers face challenges when trying to connect programmatically to a VPN service. Today, we're going to explore how to use VPN service to establish your own VPN connection. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to implement a feature and it just doesn't work. Many developers have been in your shoes, especially when it comes to networking issues like VPN connections. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is it possible to connect to a custom VPN programmatically on Android as of 2017? They mentioned running into a port unreachable exception while using Datagram channel. Let's dive into this and find a solution together. So what does this port unreachable exception mean? It typically indicates that the destination port is unreachable, which can happen for various reasons, such as network configuration issues or incorrect server settings. Understanding this will help us troubleshoot effectively. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to troubleshoot this issue, but also gain insights into setting up your own VPN service successfully. To begin establishing a VPN connection programmatically, the user should first create a class that extends VPN service. This class will manage the VPN connection and handle the necessary configurations. Next, the user needs to configure the VPN interface. This involves setting up the session, adding an address, DNS server, and defining routes. This can be done using the builder class provided by the VPN service. After configuring the interface, the user should create a datagram channel to establish a tunnel to the VPN server. This channel will be used for sending and receiving packets. Finally, the user should implement a loop to continuously read and write packets through the tunnel. This ensures that data is transmitted effectively between the client and the server. Fun fact, did you know that the first VPN was created in 1996? It was designed to allow remote users to securely access a private network over the internet. We've come a long way since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests that while creating a VPN app using the VPN service class is possible, it won't be easy. The VPN service acts like a virtual network adapter, similar to a firewall. It allows you to create a VPN without rooting your device, but you will need to handle all connection and data transfer coding yourself, which can be quite complex. However, some developers have successfully tackled this challenge. Here's a pro tip. Always test your VPN connection with a simple client before diving into complex implementations. This can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be well on your way to successfully connecting to your own VPN on Android. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.